In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Ionos Webmail. Whether you're new to Ionos or just not familiar with navigating their webmail service, this guide will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and easy way. First, go to the Ionos homepage and click on the Sign In button. This is your starting point for accessing your account and all its features, including webmail. Next, choose Customer Account from the available options. This tells the system that you want to access your account services. Then click the Sign In button again to continue. Now enter your webmail email address carefully. If you have multiple email accounts, make sure you're using the correct one linked to your Ionos Webmail. After typing your email, click Next. You'll then be redirected to the webmail login page. This is normal and part of the security process. Here, you'll need to enter your email address again. It might seem repetitive, but it helps verify your login. After re-entering your email, click Next again. Now you'll be asked to enter your password. Make sure you type it exactly as it was created, since passwords are case-sensitive. Once you've entered your password, click Next one final time. This will log you into your Ionos Webmail inbox, where you can read, send, and manage your emails. To make your experience smoother, ensure you have a stable internet connection before logging in. Also, if you're using a public computer, always remember to log out after you're done to keep your account secure. That's it. Logging into Ionos Webmail is simple once you follow these steps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.